Hello everyone again. In this video I'm going to dive into price action and the power of supply and demand imbalances in the American stock market. And I'm going to review and update supply and demand analysis I did recently on Alibaba. So this is a Chinese stock, one of the giants in e-commerce. Alibaba Group on the weekly time frame. Baba is the symbol ID. So I posted this an update on this video, or the original video, when price was here on Alibaba, and we were expecting this to happen. It didn't happen as soon or as fast as we expected, because it printed a low and another low, and at the time you might be thinking, oh well, Alibaba could do this and then it's going to be a loss. But look at what happened after a couple of months. Alibaba has rallied like 29%. Okay, so this is the power of supply and demand. You need to believe, and this is why my website is called Set and Forget. You set the trade and forget about it. Okay, the same way that it happened with this imbalance on Alibaba on the 24th of June 2024, it's happening on the weekly demand level on Alibaba stock that took control the last 18th of November 2024. Now it's the end of January 2025 and the stock has rallied like almost 30%, as you can see. And this is the power of supply, demand and price action after a very strong rally made of very large candlesticks. Okay, the candlesticks bodies, you can see the candlestick bodies here. Then you can see how the stock loses steam after a very strong rally with these indecision candle, and then we've got a bearish engulfing pattern, and this is dictating the end of the rally, and this is what we should be expecting. Could you take shorts on the way down? Yes, that's another strategy, going against the trend. But we're talking here about a clear uptrend on Alibaba stock that would allow us to buy here on the way down. This is like, we are assuming this is going to happen, but this could have happened. It could have broken the highs again. But now that Alibaba dropped there, like at the end of November 2024, look what happened after a couple of months. And this is funny because I get many private comments on my email, sometimes on my YouTube channel, saying, well, that this is what I'm doing doesn't work, blah, 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 etc., etc. Because some traders are only focused on news and smaller time frames, and they don't want to accept or trust these imbalances, okay? And I'm going to show you an example on this because I posted this video analysis on Baba, okay, in November 2024, and then somebody say, okay, thanks. And this guy, I don't know this guy, but I'm just going to read what he said, okay. Baba is not a buy and hold stock, at least not for the last few years. It needs a lot of monitoring and management, or you will find out it has gone up and down so many times and back to the same price. If you can catch and ride those waves, blah, 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 the accumulation of small gains is actually quite satisfactory. It may not go to the moon, blah, 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 blah. So long life Baba. So he probably didn't believe in this, okay? But look what happened. So this happens often. So in the meantime, what happened to the news, okay? When price hit that demand level on there, that was a positive news, and then price dropped. And then recently, this was, well, news is going to happen today, maybe? Yeah, today? So let's see what Baba next is going to do. This is like analysis report for Alibaba. Well, it doesn't really matter. We don't care about news and fundamental analysis for stocks, as you already know when you're trading supply and demand on the bigger time frame. So maybe if price drops over there, we could have another opportunity. But as you can see, Alibaba stock is a great stock running as expected, using supply and demand and price action strategies like this one. You can take advantage of this, and hopefully it will continue to rally and provide us new entries. Alibaba. You can use smaller time frames, intraday, short term, even bullish option strategies. Baba, now that you also have confirmation that there is a huge interest in Alibaba. So this candlestick, the current one at the end of January 2025, is very similar to the one that was created back in 2024 and September 2024. It's just replicating what happened that month. If you like this video, click on the like button and the subscription button so you get updates on new stocks, cryptos, and forex. Have a great day.